Hi, this is Shansafai. Today I am here to share with you some information on knowledge about 3D art. Basically, in this lecture we learn about what is the 3D art and how to use it. So the question is that why we should join this course? The answer is really simple. We all have a different skills and potential to do something differently. So in this course we have discovered or guide you if you needed to learn about this course or provide a correctly guideline about the use of 3D art. As by learning this course you are able to do wonderful things in your life. After learning the course you are able to do different project and make different projects. As you all everyone need money, or maybe some people wants to different skills, so if this course help a lot of you. So now basically we have to learn about what is the 3D painting. 3D stand for three-dimensional painting. It is an advance of manufacturing process, you make a object in your computer, then the process work start. They make a product by making a thin layer of material and then combine all of them together. So the question is that why we should learn 3D painting? The answer may be more simple, as we all know now that the word shifting toward the digitalization. So why we left behind? You as you learned something about this course about 3D painting. Now, in next videos I have to tell you, show you which website I use, and you can also use it to do practices. Uh, in next videos, I will tell you a guideline, give guideline about to you about the tools, techniques that you can use to make different project. After, as practice makes a man perfect, we all know. So it is better if you sing the videos and do the practices as well. As this is very useful for all of us. After completing the course you are able to make a different projects. If you are interested in art or painting, you have you really enjoy this. Now the question is that how it is different from traditional manufacturing. It is different in such a manners, in manufacturing process, the bulk of materials are made and then extra material are removed, but in 3D art only the product made and less material used, so less material get wasted, or so it is. Let's just show that it look like this. There is a machine in which you, through mobile or computer or any tab, you upload your design and the many machine made it. So when you learn this course, complete this course, and you also full focus on this course and 3D art painting, and you also interested in it, then it is very helpful to make a complex project, to make a unique design, different design, whatever you want. Thank you for watching.